kama KH. So leo tena nimejifunza mengine zaidi ya KH. Because yale ambayo nilikuwa najua kwa KH ni kwamba ni mahindi matamu kwa wale ambao wanapenda kuchoma. Kuna wakati nilipanda na mama akaenda pluck kidogo ya kuchoma. So alipoona ni tamu akaambia watu wakakuja kununua. I can say kwamba tulipata pesa nyingi kuliko kama tungevuna tukasaga. So it was a double koba. Wakati ulikuwa unaipanda ulikuwa unajaribu. So tuko na uhakika kwamba itafanya namna gani. So later on I went in and planted 1 acre. Nikapata 35 bags per acre. So nikaona hii kitu kama imetoa 35. Wapi nimeenda vibaya? Nikaenda kuimprove. Nikaweka mbolea ya kutosha and I got 41 bags per acre. So I can say kwamba KH mtu akipanda akiwa na anataka pesa na anataka uhakika kwamba anataka double cobas, double cobbing variety. So now that nimepata Georgia sweet Georgia hapa, hiyo lazima niende nayo kwa sababu najua seed wako.
Wairabia umwanchomo ligeriria emaragoba eyerengia na boigo eyavene andonsi asoto bwatrete ase chitarikinye ase Jumatano entanganikigima ase omotenyi ogatatu. Karibu sana ase kiunga chinsa ibere ekerocheragire chinsa ibere korwa chinkonko inye chinse twabaire togosangereria mange ayo abere kagokorekana na boigo gwateka korwa chinsemo elio tokomanye korwa semeza mangana maya na boigo tokoletere buna abere kagwateka. Karibu sana ase kiunga chinsa ibere ase Jumatano ya bene elio unkomanye onsi ayabere kagokorekana korwa chinsemo ime amona isiko yeliro balia gusi niko tobwateranire nabaliki baito amangana na boigo etimu ngima ya editorial elio koyaenekia ngoya nyorore ase nchara yo wikiranu anene ekeroto kubwaterana nere Wilson Makori kurugalia sensemo yebimanyirerio elikwanekia ingo ya nyorore na boigo kurugalia sensemo yeji kamera nigo tolenere Wilfred Matundra na boigo yokwanekia elio ginechi bichalia gwikire atsan nigo to kubwaterana asobwamo elikwanekia ingo ya nyorore ase nchira yo wikirano isaransoike elio to ya nyore yemo ase yemo kolinda litangani ntarako yaletera ase nchira yo boime tiga nkumanye gati ya yali na berengo kwaleganiria ase kionga chinsa ibere. Egati ya yalina kwaleganirie ase kiunga litukulia lero.
Mwalimu amalize mwezi mmoja, naomba kwamba hao pia watakuwa wameshikwa kwa sababu wako DCI rada na watashikwa na pia watafika mahakamani.
Aborokia kugikiria ogosira kwa bamwabo ase chinchira chobo tutukanu.
Bila nataka nimuhakikishie na nimwambie Nyaliba ni chache, ni kwangu, nyumbani kwangu, nimezaliwa hapa na mimi hapa ndio nyumbani.
Omujumbe wa bunge ya Nyaliba chache umusikiza Hirjanda kugikiria chinkwana cha Gachagua.
In their eyes you are a hero. In mine you are a gentle, devoted father with the biggest heart. You were my beginning, was still new and pure. Losing you feels like losing the music of my youth.
Naboigo emisa ya batano nomo abo basiritia magimabo asomo basukano mo bebwendege kukolekana lero imeye kanisa ya AGC Nairobi. Nchani wangoro kwa Ruth Kemuntu na boigo ekiunga chinsa ibireni gatogo chaka noroboti korwa asi kyombikiria gekolingolia amaliogo yogo tindekiana kada asomo konyi bumugavana we county ya Kisii umuske Elijah Obebo litukulia lero abagakura emiroberio yokorwania amaliogo yogo tindia ase bunge ya bubasi esegiyo nigo yabereke gosegetwa amone kyombikiria gekorwania amaliogo yogo tindia gosena kada na nigo kirache kogenderera gosenige segiyo irachi kogenderera ase chinsemo au ili kubwaterana amone county ya Kisii merobili yuboigo nigo irachi kogenderera asense ya Kenya engima
igo twakire gaiga ase gisaisieke kiana kada geombekeria gekorwania kunywa marua mange n'ebindi byose bigotindia na bitu abilonchire rero bakire ku national office erinde tocosomia abantu baito amangana ibinyugu ebiga na marioga ya kunywa yogotindia obakire baborokererie babasomie erinde bamanyenga amadara na araroro bintu biribigo koreka nebibe nikita bichikoso kujita jingia na mono gosaria obwa matobu ya se jinka jito na se ji ese binyoro bito bakire gaiga kwa niaba y'umushimwa Paul Simbarati oyo tarengange na akire kolonch ire tuchaka mangana yo gosomia abantu baito ase county yeitengima lero twachage ji ward 18 yenere yemo akiri 18 na mambinto genderete baka Friday irinda abantu baito bamanyenga inki the dangers obobe wa drugs obobe wa alcohol inki bintu bigosababisha asa maisha y'abantu as a society.
We're doing education. So today we have come here to talk to our people about drug abuse and what effect it has on our own lives and on especially the lives of our young people. Because we are losing quite a number of our young people due to drug abuse. So we are here to see how can we work together as a community to combat this problem. In our homes, let's start from our homes, in our schools, in our learning. We have learning institutions here in Kisii, and we are really passionate about helping the young people to realize their dreams. And the message I'm going to send out today is starting from our homes, right from where we stay as families. How do we identify, how do we deal with this menace in the community?
Wanaweka hapa chini ya ulimi. Na kuna hivi vizazi huwa wanajaribu kukimbia hapa na pale wakisema ya kwamba pombe, wengine wanakunywa pombe kwa sababu wanataka kutoa ile kitu ambayo inaitwa stress, wengine wanajaribu kunywa kwa sababu ya peer pressure, wengine wanakunywa pombe kwa sababu hawajitambui. So tuko hapa educate hao wanarika na watu wote kwa jumla ya kwamba ulevi hailipi. Hii Kisii County tunataka ikue county ambayo inadumisha usafi wa kimwili, usafi wa afya na usafi ambapo tunasema hatuhitaji dawa za kulevya ili kuishi.
Ki abasae bagusi rather Kisii County wetera serikali yomo Governor Simbarati turabwatirane torolenga we are elevating abasae to another level elinde to make sure we are reducing gosengo punguza tole ebiwango biria abasae bagotumia amaliogo.
Umujumbe webunge ya Nyaribari Chachi musikeza Irjanda nigo litukulia lero abagakoigura amagacho ebirasi 5 na 3 byegoroba ase skuru yoboroso ya Kiamabundu egiye gutoka ime ya Kisii Central county ya Kisii egetambo kerekyo nigo anene kerengete gochigo kinia ebirengo bya masomo anene kurwa ase ebunge yo ukwanekerekyo nigo abereka gotebabuna nigo muroberio yo urachiko genderana ase chiskuru ime ebunge yo naboigo umuske janda niga bakagukwanira siasa cheiga ensi ya Kenya Murikito Dipon Asanya noroboturu asoboime
Nilituko linde lyogosioria amagenderero ase bunge ya Nyaribari Chache inse iyo mubunge Borongoru umusikiza irijanda imeye wode ya Kisii Central chisemo chia kia mabundu ase skuru yoboroso iganyara koigora ebirasi 5 na 3 engana yaorokia ogokina wichisemi asorgongorwe hasiboigo akwanira gati ya magenderero ao alialigetie gochikokorera abamenyi benseme yuo.
Barabara saa hizi tukiongea nikiwa hapa Kiamabundu shule. Barabara contractor saa hii ameingia ako hapo barabara ya Nyanchwa Nyabs kuelekea Kiamabundu. Tunaelewana? Tumekubaliana tena barabara serikali imenipatia rais amenipa barabara kilomita 50 ya kuweka lami Nyaribari Chache. Contractor ameingia, contractor hako kwa site na hii barabara itaanza kujengwa hivi karibuni, Nyasaye kipenda by mwaka ujao, barabara kilomita 50. Na mimi ninawaambia kutoka dunia imeumbwa Nyaribari Chache hatujawahi kupata barabara kilomita 50 kwa mpigo moja. Tumekuwa na wabunge
gusangana bamenyi benseme yuo ni gobono abaenekeria emiroberio abegete chibosio anene asogo ikirania amagenderero ni chiria abetega kubalira chingakichie kampeni hasarolekana gusingerera okoroisiwa wechipara chierami chinsemecho negati yokorosia ebiti nonyene bye chiskuru
barabara nyingine kutoka Getungurumu Omosasa Gesere Iberia Nyeusia Timani mpaka hapo Nyaguta. Hiyo barabara yote inawekwa lami. Mnashtuka kwa nini? Mnashangaa? Vile mjumbe anajua barabara hapa. Si mlinipatia kazi? Ama mlinipatia kazi ya kufanya nini? Ya kukula mandazi? Si mlinipea kazi, lazima nijue ni barabara gani inatengenezwa. Watoto hawa hawezi kukaa na kucheza kwa matope. Haiwezekani. Hiyo sitakubali. Nyinyi mkikubali ni nyinyi. Mimi nimekataa. Lazima tubadilishe watoto wacheze kwa nyasi. Si ndio?
Ase nkwana yo muraibu kiama kia DCP rigathigashawa ikiyaera chinga kibaringa sorgongo rwagusi na babwatani ba United Opposition nigo yarorekanete kumutachiranse gesiasa omujumbe borgongorwe oyubono oimokerera igoro na koteba tatageti omurayi oli okuraria obugesaku
hapa ni Kisii. Huyu bonoko wako anataitobia Kisii. Kisii ni Kenya, si Kenya. We are one family. Hi cousins.
Huyo mkabila nataka nimuhakikishie na nimwambie Nyaribari Chache ni kwangu, nyumbani kwangu, nimezaliwa hapa na mimi hapa ndio nyumbani. Watoto wangu wako hapa, mke wangu wako hapa na hakuna mahali na mtu yoyote anaweza kutisha Zairi Janda kwa kusimama kiti ya Nyaribari Chache. Mimi nimezaliwa hapa Kisii, nimezaliwa General Hospital. Omongi na oneno Gusii, abana bani hapa Gusii na hakuna mahali ninaenda. Niko hapa na nitasimama na watu wangu. Walinipatia kura zaidi ya 35,000 wapeleke ukabila yao huko Nyeri, si ndio? Wasilete ukabila hapa Nyaribari Chache. Sisi ni watu tunapenda omorembe, si ndio? Na heshima ama sikani.
Kuroiga ase skuru yoboroso ya Kiamabundu egotoke wodi ya Kisii Central imeye bunge ya Nyaribari Chache kaunti ya Kisii liana igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Biamono omurikito Dipon Asanya asengencho yoroboti oru asenchira yoboikirano. Nkwana eyo omubunge o West Mugirango omusike Steve Mugaka abetega kubwatuka aburi tukaligoro guchase egetasenieke mukyoboralia ime yense ya Kenya igoro ya Daktari Matiang'i amonetaro yaye guchase orogongo rwa Gusii anene nabarai bali bakwamereria serikali eyo abeteka gotebabuna nigo abantu abo babete bagwesokia asobunge ase bunge ya West Mugirango babete bagosombwa nigo yaberige kwigikirwa amona barai ao nigo bono abarai abo babere bakumugania omusike Steve Mugaka anyareko bakagwesokia na gusaba umugusi gosomo West Mugirango amabera nabo igo kumuburia anyareko bagakwena na masikani gochiase Daktari Fred Matiang'i muri gito Fatgad Gisemba otwaleganirie orobotiro.
Rituko erimorioka maiga y'omubunge o West Mugirango Mosque Stephen Mogaka gukwana buna umubaro bw'abantu abo besogetie ase omusangirikano bw'okomwarigania Dr. Fred Matiang'i buna nigo basombetwe nigo ing'aniye egenderete kugikirigwa.
Mosque Matiang'i namubwate mono sana eri akabwa ekerogo kiaye ky'obuchumbe in turn igakomurama. There is no way you're endo ngaine na radio station ng'abantu barenko mukutano orio Matiang'i n'abaikoyo okuno korama aba West Mugirango abantu bagwete chikura intu nindu twagwete chikura nande nindu twarenga ari asobonge
ntagete komotebi ng'a party ya Jubilee nero ya mokonyete agaso obisi agaso parliament minetinga nebo chiro morenko orionde kaki ancha ligia chikura bunoko ligia kerokyo bojumbo ndatara korama na esiko mwana ito Fred Okengo Matiang'i ase party ya Jubilee no nyeko kwaruro ororo ae ligia nchira yao yoko ligia aso morenkore
aiga nigo bamwaire Mosque Stephen Mogaka egeka kya matuko atano na beroka arebosio erio asabe omogusi amabera kubwatekana n'echinkwana echo abeirega kubwatoka amatuko abwangoiga
igo etotete ko mwa 7 days asaba mabera onye tari yo gusaba mabera sengenjo amwire ngana baiko yakori because we are not Kikuyus induna bagusi nganje no musamaro 2 tutete ngarusi erieta Matiang'i aso munwe. It's not a mass yes about Matiang'i ere onyo amwire is saying is in the government ekia kodre serikali there is nothing a constituency aye inere sigeda sechipara ere tabu adriso ne odenga ngo kamare serikali na gentago kama ntoroji au kamebuse
kubwatekana naya nigo omogaka David Gesora ondicho oyo obeto yomobo ase abagaka baria babete bakomosoka ta Fred Matiang'i akomokora bene omonogeri bw'omugusi nigo ensemo yaye abwatukire engwana eye
omugusi wensie sabeta oyo koira Matiang'i ekiara nere mboya ire kiara gochia ntuyo karo twarenga ari ekerenyo twarete kerogo twakorero yo minto Fred Okengo Matiang'i instauration meaning ngantu abagusi twansipi authority ya ndi Matiang'i kera tokera no kabwato yo egashiri twakorete buno mugusi na nigera kubwati
chinkaki echecho poigo bagendereire gukwanira obomo bw'omugusi
nande totaite kuboriga kindly yarorekanire wiya kabisa nga for the first time in Gusiland twanyolire the very hopeful the winning presidential candidate ora konye nze ito ya Kenya a performer ora choke nze ya ito ebintu bibwenere so we want to call upon abana inchi bonds Matiang'i kurusiko bwancherwe na intunkega ntobwatise kichinde chonse
hingo reporter getembe kuraigo mugonjoro eye gotoke meye wodi ya Kemera ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira Jefatigad Gisemba
Bia mono sana omurikito Fatigad Gisemba asenge nchi gutwariganiria oroboti ruo gotigana nayo na gosuka bosio okubwatana kwa balimu nigo bono kwabere gugwesokia na gochamo na kubgikiria agoitwa kwa balimu nebibago anenekero bagokora emirimo yabo asibono babeire bakugikiria ogoitwa kwa mwalimu oyomo asinsemo ya Lugari mubaro monene bwa balimu abo nigo babeire bagwesokia na boigo gwikirana ase okomwenia omwalimu uyu Nyagosira Stephen Obiero oyo obeteka gusire obuguma bwaye asinsemo ya Butaranda bumachoge na nigo bono babeire bakorokia okogechigo kwabo okubwatekana nege kolekyo aso mwalimu uyu abeteka goitwa ase chinsemo cha Lugari abara balimu abo nigo babeire bagusaba chinsemo chiri chitenenerete wesokia na gutuka na kubabika biara bali bonsi babete bagwikirania ege kolekyo nabo bagenderete gwikirania ebikolebyo ase chinsemo na kubabika biara na kubimukiria ege tambukiro Mulikito Gilbert Kobi otwariganirie orobochuru
nase ekenyurukia butaranda ime ya sense moye berege bumachoge burabu asamatanga yoko moyenia nyagusira umwalimu Steven Obiero kiraro abo bwatani bekisemi nabo yigomo n'abalimu mbesogetia soko mulero umwalimu uyu iteretwa sense moya Western bakora wono muri obo monene wekiombe kiana taurusagia rwagucha Lucifera Gitoi nigo batebire buna abari bumenyerete obwoba ase kinsemo bagosomera kinsemo cyesukuru gusi banyako bakurusi gwarwa sengenjo yo kubengwa nebibago.
That if our teachers in Western wamefanya kazi ya kutosha na wanapomaliza wanamaliza kama kifo, kama maiti, afadhali wote tuletewe hapa. We have so many people here who have come from outside and we are taking very good care of them. Last time we were burying another teacher at Kakero who was murdered the same way this one has been murdered and under very flimsy issues. So we are saying this and take this back to Kakamega, that those people from Gucha said, hao walimu wote wenye wako Western ambayo kazi yao imetosha sasa, imebaki ni kifo, warudishwe hapa. We have a lot of places to accommodate them.
Abalimu konyora bagokora emirimo nere nyagusira asensemo ya rugali nigo bakoragwa no muri kyobo omonene Martin Waswa nigo bagikiriye korwe ikyo na gusaba buna oko unenki wakunya ko bagwikiranirwa no bulindi bunyako bwikiranirwa asaba abalimu nabo yigo uko na cheki na kumurikyo monene ogucha gota buna bali bunyako bakorene gusi ngo bayigetambukire getagani kolende bagikunya ko bakomenya asobwamo
that when you come to Lugari we have so many Kisi teachers who are teaching over there. Most of them they have settled there, others are married there, na tunakaa nao vizuri sana. Even me as a person, my best friend is a Kisi, anatoka pande hii. Therefore the issue kwamba waje pande hii tunasema sisi tunakaa nao vizuri. This is an exceptional case and we are condemning this kind of killing. Wale watu ambao walikuza kwa huyu mwalimu, watu wote ambao walitoa pesa, mimi nasema na wasipate amani hapa duniani.
Waswani garagiririe ogwitwa kwa mwalimu uyo na gutaka abagusi gokore ekemira kiabo asensemo ya bori bachakirunya ko bagokore ekemira kiabo libali bonse bayikiranita asoko mwito mwalimu uyo nyako bakonyorege suru bwango iga
wao waishie kule Korogoroni. And the way madam amesema, we have already arrested 2 and we are looking for 2 more, na tunataka kuhakikishia kwamba kabla mwalimu afike kabla mwalimu amalize mwezi mmoja, naomba kwamba hao pia watakuwa wameshikwa kwa sababu wako DCI rada, na watashikwa na pia watafika mahakamani.
Naralinge kuwase ensamo ya butaranda ime ya eberege mu machoge burabu account ya Kising kuri boterege temba Marietane Nje Gilbert Kobi.
Bia mono sana omurikito Gilbert Kobi asenge ncho yo gutwaleganiria oroboti ruo okubulia nigo kwabekirwe gucia ase serikali kogendera gusira abamanyi na boigo abatuki ebeti sector au anene gwetira ase mitandao yekerero elio gukinia ensi ya Kenya naya nkubwatekana no kubulia kwa ba engineer kurwa asorogongo rwa Nyanza gukwana umubasolero chinga kichumo yega bogo chingera litukuliabo uyo kalekana litukulialero ase county ya Kisii nigo bamentire na gotebabuna okugani nkoraroro kugukinia ubumanyi gwetira ase chinchira chekerero na igo nerebuya banyarekoba abagutugekirwa umurikitu Daniel Onteri otwaleganirie orobotiuru
Kero mwaka umutinyo gatatu lituko lya kane niga ba engineer bagochengera lituko lyabo ase kirenga kyo mwaka oyo kire smart engineering through innovation and digitalization mwega obaletamo aba engineer au kurwa serogongo rwa Nyanza no koleka ase skuru yo kwena megerio yobubundi ya Kisii.
We had a procession in the morning and later some discussion on thematic areas based on our theme, which is smart engineering, innovation and digitalization. And thereafter we had a mentorship session with the engineering student at the Kisii Polytechnic.
Ase kalekiga aba engineer nigo bakwanire kirenga kyabo kyo gutumeke metandao yekerero ase gukini bumenyi bwabo bateba gwetera asumukyo mbale no gosemeria amange na chigonchereria.
This smart engineering is an aspect that covers a lot of issues that are solving mankind solutions, starting from the energy security, be it electricity, be it access to energy for the households. We are also looking at transport systems which are very critical for transformation of our nation. The roads, the bridges, and all manner of transport.
Ase nkwana yabo niko bamenta na Kenya negati chinse chiria chirebosio wetera so bumanyi bugotumeke metandao nobotuki aso koligia na kogendereria ebintu ao na igoko kania nkororo gokogendera gosirwa ne serikali.
As a country, we are consumers of smart technology. Developed world, we know that smart technologies are coming all over, depending on which field of engineering it is. When you come to transport engineering, there are very way of smart systems that are coming, and there are various other systems that are also coming in. And we are sure that as we move on, we are able to get into the space of smart engineering as a country, since we have the resource and we have the people, so we are able to get into that.
Apa engineer iga Kenya nige miremo yabo ekorolekana muno asobwagachi wechinyomba na muno chikoroba asensemo yobo sombi emiremo yokulinda na gutumeka amache asokorosia chinguru chumuliro egatia yande ase aborki gwase skuru iga boigo benyorera libaga lisaine lyogosegetwa igoro ya masomo buna bubonete kwebwata ase chiro yobubundi. Nkuruba terega taseni kia gatembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii letera nengoro kwa Daniel Ontiri.
Mwancho muligiriria mbiya mono sana guchase umuliki wetu Daniel Ontiri ase ngencho yogo twaliganiria roboti urwa ase nchira yogo ikiranu kurende ase roboti urwaye Daniel Ontiri narugo tuira ase mutimoko ase nsementanganie kiunga chinsa ibere kurende ase gekagitari egetambe ntogenderere gukumanya gusentoirane elio ingendere gukumanya ayagendete gukorekana igati yabo abarai abo baba bakumirana ase okubarira nabo gukobasabira bali bonsi babete bakonyora omubasukano bwendege letuko lya Jumamosi ayo negatia yali na kwareganiri asensemo ya kabiri yo mutimuko tukwirana kurwa ase kiunga chensa ibere igoto basa kusukare asengencho na kwareganiri amange asensemo ya kabiri.
Nimefurahia sana kufika hapa na kujifunza mambo mengi kutoka kwa ESEED. Nilikuwa najua mbegu moja ambayo nilikuwa naipenda sana ya mahindi. Inaitwa KH500. Nilipoijua sikujua kwamba kuna mahindi mengine mazuri kama KH. So leo tena nimejifunza mengine zaidi ya KH. Because yale ambayo nilikuwa najua kwa KH ni kwamba ni mahindi matamu kwa wale ambao wanapenda kuchoma. Kuna wakati nilipanda na mama akaenda akaplak kidogo ya kuchoma. So alipoona ni tamu akaambia watu wakakuja kununua. I can say kwamba tulipata pesa nyingi kuliko kama tungevuna tukasaga. So it was a double koba. Wakati tulikuwa tunaipanda tulikuwa najaribu. Tuko na uhakika kwamba itafanya namna gani. So later on I went in and planted 1 acre. Nikapata 35 bags per acre. So nikaona hii kitu kama imetoa 35, wapi nimeenda vibaya. Nikaenda kuimprove, nikaweka mbolea ya kutosha and I got 41 bags per acre. So I can say kwamba KH mtu akipanda akiwa na anataka pesa na anataka uhakika kwamba anataka double cobas, double cobbing variety. So now that nimepata Georgia sweet Georgia hapa, hiyo lazima niende nayo kwa sababu najua ESEED wako.
Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka 1 na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714 824 433 au 0752 901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center nige gotoka imemo chobosongo nigo yachira sengencho yao nabo igo nige bwate abanyagitari bo bwato bomanyi bwaigoro kegima abo baokora meremo yabo keboikeranu
incheno manyagitari iri ni kemma obangi korwa senyagitari ya HK International Medical Center irega igo mochito bosongo
Boigo, enyagitari ya nige bwate chi machines chingiya, echichigo tumeka koringoria maroire au asomo bero na mariogo onsi alioraganye ase obobwenya bwao.
Nabonta getoko tanga senyagitari ya itu nigo toko kara scanning yo mobero mogima, yani toko nyerokaso monobwe ke songo nga full body check up. Igonta getoko tanga nigo toko ligere likorwa somo twe paka magoro inse twaligere the internal organs cha uchons pina kichigo function toko nyora chiricha cell function abnormal twako amariogo
amaroire bakorwaria ngamona diabetes gose oboroire bwe sukari, high blood pressure, oboroire bwe chinyigo gose kidney, asthma, arthritis, brucellosis, infertility in men and women, hormonal imbalance, family planning, uterine fibroids, oboroire bwe stroke, prostate enlargement, stomach ulcers, chi allergies, cancer.
Nonya no mochando bwa maino amaina ali yako na gusumbwa nto bwata mariogo ya maino nto bwata maro mariogo ya marwaire yemeki emeki eri tichete emeki ngo tichere ya chikore nto bokongwa senkoro igonga marwa mariogo ali yago tichore emeki gusako igore emeki yagera manyinga tarabiya nto nyabwate nto bwata mariogo ali yago akorusia machando yechi joint chiri chikobuga borwaire bolito korokanga osteoporosis na boro buno borwaire bochandeta abantu baito na boro bwa mariogo na rororo nkoligere litole nonye na mangana respiratory system abantu barokonyora egekuba kiabo takonyara gutire getiro
epilepsy na boigo amarwaire anda mange
na inda mariogo ya nigo tokonyarusia ase chinse cheiskobu na bono USA mariogo na ali tokorusia stokoroka Los Angeles California eyere ni USA na inde nkorustora mariogo anda ase chinse chiri tokorokanga Malaysia ayande nkorware India na ayande nigo tokonyarusi China
asa mange bakeresimi ase number 0717176383. HK International Medical Center. Your health is your wealth.
Karibu nande mwanchumu ligiriria asensemo ya kabiri kiunga chinsa ibere elio ngendere gukumanya abarai au nigo baikirana asemisa yo kubainyura na boigo kubasabira umujumbe ebwe bunge ya Imurwa Dikir nyagusira Johana Ngeno amona abantu bande batano abo babete bagosiria amagimabo asumu basukano bwendege litukulia Jumamosi ase abange babo babere bakorokia amagomba manene kubotekana nomo ubasukano yo umurikito Aaron Ototo Nyaingiri utwaliganiriya robochuru
Emisa yoko basabira batanomo abo basireti amagimabo asum basukana bwendege litukulia Jumamosi nigo yakoreka ase omochi o Nairobi ase kansa ya AGC lituko lya lero.
In their eyes you are a hero. In mine you were a gentle, devoted father with the biggest heart. You were my beginning, was still new and pure. Losing you feels like losing the music of my youth, the laughter, the dreams, the simplicity of believing we had endless time. But even death cannot take what we built. It cannot erase the love, the memories, the family we created. You'll always be my Joha. Rest gently, my love.
Nemisa yekirona barai bakuragwa muno mukonyi bumurai bwense omoske Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki amate abairi naboigo abasani ibanyagosira abo batano nomo.
I want to take this opportunity to say a big pole the 6 families who have lost our brothers who are lying in front of us.
He never took offense. Ngeno never took any offense. He used to say, you people don't know those people. Those are my people.
Little did I know that that was the last day that I'm going to talk to my friend and a son-in-law.
Amakonyi bomurai bwenze omoske Kindiki nigo amatogia omojumbe we bunge ya Emurwa Dikri omoske Joana Ng'eno una omonto obwate omokia ase mirimo yaye egento boigo kyanyara kwage gosegetwa na bakwani ao abo banyaka boikirana ase miseyuo.
I have listened to the tributes by family members of our brothers here, our late brothers, and they were all good men. Some older men, others younger men, but they were all good men. Everyone doing something for our country, contributing to our country's progress. We didn't agree in many things, but he was a very, very good friend of mine. We agreed on all the ideas and vision that he had for the people of Emurwa Dikri. But we always discussed about the methodology of getting those things done.
Kindiki boigo nigana kibuna ase amasikani amanne aechwa na Ng'eno nigo serikali guchikogendera kurwanira na kwegerera ebirenga na boigo iganga ya Ng'eno gochia ase ebisako byonsi.
In honor of the late Johanna Ng'eno, who has served his constituents for 3 consecutive terms, all the ideals that the late Johanna Ng'eno had for Emurwa Dikri and for the people of Narok will be honored. And the government will make sure that we will balance the interest of the communities in Emurwa Dikri and in Narok and provide a sustainable, long-lasting win-win solution.
Asensemo yae omurai bw'ikiama gya ODM moske Dr. Oburu Oginga nigo aboli abantu gotika kobeka amangana mangi igoro kwa batano no mabo asata yabuna kira omuntu na alikeire amakweli.
But the one of Ng'eno, I know politicians are going to now start talking about some ill motive, or there is some motive behind his death. The politicians who have very little agenda, they always want to read some malice in the death of a politician, any politician who died. But a politician is also a human being like all human beings.
Haron Ototo, Nyangiri, Getembe TV.
Mbiamana omurikito Haron Ototo asenge encho gutwariganiria orobotiuru togosuka bosyo omo senator omochore musubati esi okenyuri nigabeire gakoboria obotumeki bwechibesa anene kurwa senya gitari enene ya Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital eyogotoka emeye county ya Uasin Gishu bonyare ko babukurigereriwa asoboime nabo igogokwanira igoro yobotumeki bwo mutandao o eCitizen nabo igobokoreribwaye gochiase abananchi.
Mr. Speaker, this is not the first time we are reading about loss of funds at MTRH. And these two statements are actually intertwined. But they draw us to a report that was given by the Auditor General back in 2025, the month of August, And that report from the Auditor General really shed light on a lot that is actually happening. Mr. Speaker, when you actually see that an internal person was colluding with someone, then it begs the question, who actually has the credentials of the e-citizen platform? And when you even go through this report, it shows you that the National Treasury and so many other people in there are not able to provide documents to aid reconciliation. So without reconciliation, Mr. Speaker, even if investigations are launched and follow-up for return of the money is pursued, it's very unlikely because then there's no documented evidence to support the same, Mr. Speaker. So the committee that is going to look into these two issues need to seriously dig deeper so that we know where the issue is. Apart from the systems, do we pursue individuals, or because I thought the system was to come to curb corruption, but it's now working as an agent aiding corruption, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as I conclude, when you look at the case in MTRH, it took over a year for them to realize that we are actually losing money. This actually shows that probably in other organizations we'll be losing similar amounts of money, and it's not been realized because of weak internal controls. And maybe there are so many people in this chain of loss of funds, Mr. Speaker. So this is not any other statement.
Amatuka make magega ya bagaka kurwa bunyakoni ase ward ya itibu ebunge ya North Mugirango yekonti ya Nyamira wesokia na gukwanira kose kwe murunganiria ogotikara magega ke magenderero boigo okulinwa amabaga yemirimo anne kurwa se serikali ye county ya Nyamira nigo boigo omwe msiye bwe ward yo abeire ka wesokia litikulia rero na gukwanira igoro yenganiyo asarolekanire kuba mochia abagaka bu asokorolekana gukwana chinkwana chigose geta obonyomba asa magenderero nigo mwamsi uyu abeire kagoteba buna nigo atemire gwikirania magenderero ase abeire anene aria murengete ase chinyomba isatu echigotoka ase wodi yeitibo buneria ya boisanga bokurati na boigo bunyakoni asa abeire kagosaba umunyakoni bwansi koba omotwereru ase kiribuna nigagendrete gwikirania amagenderero muri kitu Fatgad Gisemba utwareganirie orobotioruo
amatuko amake maiga igeta sene kiga kya getembe kumurikira ukwemurungania kwa bagaka babunyakoni igoro yukweba kwa magenderero igati yebinde igobono omo MC bwe wodi eyiga yaitibo umuske Lamex Square umanyikaine buna enana nigo aesokire na gutugutirare ukwemurungania ukukwa bagaka agoteba buna erenigo abeire agwikirania amagenderero aho nonyenase enyombeye ya umunyakoni
naboni gachiparanjire nakorete epare korunya ramba mpaka yaenda iteresi ekorwe nginda yaenda mpaka iteresi eimbonyakoniere omweshimiwa nyanja makera korwa gakunye egesima kia ng'ombe gesima ekitakebegeti kende ninje najete go equip na 3.5 million eibado na magendrare bonyakoni ngache pare ya nyaramba kebabe mpaka tumbe boni gamfesi twere na nyagwadiri chibeza contractor ya choriru osebu arani mbo isange kale onya ne chisoko mpaka nabongo kwa mariete chisoko na akorete bunyakoni genda kia ng'ombe nkerororo
ewodi eyiga ya itibo nigere ne chinyomba isatu eria ya bukurati bunyakoni na boigo boisanga abwase boigo enyombeye ya bunyakoni babete bakwemurungania bonanigo etairie meremo ende yonsi na serikali ye county ya Nyamira engana omo MC oyoiga akwanire ayaiga
nte ya banyakoni ba minto na karo devolution yego chaka county government jitabugati bakori gasi no yomo ni nutu ayeto bugambi mpaka njegwea na fortreti nyanchama agasoe county chi staffs Nyamira boniga baro almost 5000 abantu bamwe abo nande bamagwonjoka after abarikeira abana babo nande bonjoka bachaka gosekereria abantu baito after kere county yarikira abafanyikazi mpaka wage bill ya etaniri boniga abafanyikazi ebakori 70% ye budget ya Nyamira county igo bunando mwe MCA igana aswa 2022 gentonke yo bantigerete ndarike no enekemo because chi staffs chionsipi abeshimiwa basote 2013 na uba yetu amabagayu barenge kurika abantu
aiga boigo nigomo MC oyoiga enana akiretege amang'ana buna nonye no mobunge Onoth Mugirango Moskecho Ashinyamoko nigonere aberiga kubaiba abanyakoni ase amagenderero
egento geko garango baruka jiproka kero kwarageire kurwa so mwana siasa tario kwanda gutangaza ase rikondo because otegere speech yabo ebatana tu achirega no muntu utugureire kende no mweshimiwa Kiangoi mbia mono na igonchara bare lakini omuntu a politician getenere yabagorerete egento abakoraki bakoria which is good tigaba mutangase lakini mbako mutumeka kuanda mainyo mochumbo ndoregeti natanya gukora bunyakoni amagenderero na ande ntutweka abanyene kirori tukarora omweshimiwa gakoru chipasari mpaka akoba mentextra 1 million nyamauro na nyasio secondary ori chibesa cha kubwiti buna chibagire omochumbe nyamoko agetwe agatutiga agatana tigara arabakonya akaba ku wait na agatamba ka speech yayo yetegerere echinaji skuru nyamauro chiskuru chebo nyakoni anachingeta chibesa chinyinge
okoiga na kwo gusaba kwaye kuchase abantu bonsi ba itibo ase amagenderero
lakini nje nasoire miaka 3 na 3 tiraera buya bachakire gukura bagambete miaka 10 bonige sabu gwaka neyemo omweshimiwa negete kuigora chipara chiabo nyakoni chionsi pi boisangana bokura ati akajitiga pi bone sabu gwaka no nae buno mweshimiwa omonto otabuga ati para pi okora priority gose noyo obuga to maintain for me nje nara deta tiganda ara korera abande bataratwara batware na barubukinga sene ko bakorera na gote yanto ba minto babekal ntogenda siasa chiobo nyomba nje ninderedi okorro munyakoni egasi ase gepindi ekentigareti budget ye county nenge neri no mweshimiwa riri ari ngororo aiko bakorra boka barona magendo nagoretheki naro nakitiga banare toshetwe siasa obwamo
Kingo reporter Getembe kuraiga ase wodi ya Itibo yegotoka ime ye bunge ya North Mugirango county ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Gisemba
mbia mono sana ase robotironde ekiama gia ODM nigo kiaberekio gutuguterare chinkwana buna okoigwana okukwa begetwe kwa marago 10 igatio murai bwensi ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto no murai omukoro bwekiama ekio gia ODM nyagusira Raila Amolo Odinga nigo kegochia nigo agochigwika omwelio omotinyo yiga bagukwana na baliki bamangana abarayibe kiamekyo bakora gunere omonyakiro gobo omusubate Gladys Wanga nigo babere bakoene kibuna ebirenga 10 gose 10 point agenda nigo biragendere kurototwa wika abikiraniwe.
But we also looked at the issue of the 10-point agenda and its implementation, and we have agreed that next week on Tuesday, there will be a joint PG of Kenya Kwanza and ODM, who are the signatories of the 10-point agenda, and a progress report will be provided by the Coin 10 team, led by Dr. Agnes Zani. But what I'd like to correct is the statement that the 10-point agenda is ending on 7. The 10-point agenda is moving this nation forward the way it was discussed and canvassed. It cannot have an end date. Moving this nation forward, looking at the issues of the NADCO report, looking at the issues of strengthening devolution, looking at the issues of corruption, looking at the issues of debt in this country, cannot have an end date. It is work in progress always. And therefore, what we will be looking at next week will be the progress report provided by the Coin 10 team. Somebody has mentioned that there is an end date in that document. That document is public. It is a public document. Look at it, read it from page 1 to the last page. There is no end date in the 10-point agenda document. It was the spirit of that document, and all of us were there when it was created, was how do we together move this nation forward and address the issues that bedevil this country.
Committee overseeing the implementation of the 10-point agenda and NADCO report is actually now ready with a report. As you know, the 7th falls on Saturday. And you also know that this process is driven by the principles of the two political parties, UDA and ODM, for which a date has to be given for the presentation of the report. And we stand guided. Now, that document in terms of the TORs was very, very clear. Several reports were to be given from the time when we were instituted from the 6th of August. The first report was in October. There was another one on the 6th of December. There was another one on the 6th of February, where we have been explaining to our principals exactly what we're doing and having deliberations with them. That report is drafted so clearly that TORs just says that the report again will be given on the 7th of March, among other reports. It doesn't say it at any date that is the last of all the reports. This has been a consultative process with the principals as has been carved in the TORs. So somebody just has to go through the TORs. That 7th March coincides with the signing of the MOU. It's the anniversary bit of it that is stressed in that TOR along that particular establishment statement.
Nabo gukorwa ase kiunga chigosori umurikito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara nigo agutumanya buna ase nkoyo ya Kenya Premier League nigo litikulia lero etimu ya Nairobi United FC baba bakogosoria amone timu ya KCB FC ase babekanigoria yemeyemo na kurwa makari ase timu enene y'abasubati ya Kenya Harambee Starlets buna enchereyemo yokogendera kuyarigania gose kwarigania ebiminano bya WAFCON obotuko bwa lero ngo chikogosole bali enkoyo y'obosani amone timu ya Ivory Coast robotyoru asoboime
asengoyo ya Kenya Premier League lero timu ya Nairobi United FC Mbanyara kogosoria amone timu ya KCB FC abo ase chiaro makari ase kobekana egori eyemo Godfrey Oduo nere coach nene ya Nairobi United nigate abagosoria bae mbate makonyora point eyemo nonya oyo mobo koyegwa red card.
Kusema kweli umesema kitu niliwaeleza tu waweze kutulia na sisi tukipata nafasi tujaribu kuitumia kwa haraka na kusema kweli almost tulikuwa tunaipata. So wamefanya vizuri.
Shakani yake nyekundu.
Mmoja ambaye aliweza kupata hiyo nyekundu. So all for us for one.
Coach enene ya KCPFC Robert Matano nigo atagokigwa ase engoyo ya lero.
The goal. Lack of desire. Somebody is a striker, but he's there. He doesn't know why he's there. How can you get that free ball like from Cairo and you cannot score? You are alone. What is that? As a player, how can you call yourself a striker in front of the goal? Simple ball where you can just control the ball and pass it. It's ourselves, not about the game.
Ekero chitimu chonsi chigo chikogenda omutimoko we wiki eyemo we Premier League echinde chigende ase egekombe kia Mozart Cup KCP FC nigo ere namba 5 na 3 Nairobi United FC namba 10 ase bwata chi point 30 na nigo yagosoire chingoyo 20 ase chitimu chinyinge chiakire chingoyo 20 na 3 na ase timu nene y'abasubati ya Kenya Harambee Starlets buna enjire ye moyo kogenderera kuyarigania ebimenano bia WAFCON birebosio obutuko bwa lero ngogosoria bare engoyo y'obosani amone timu ya Ivory Coast kuripotire Gatembe che Wycliffe Tyson Manyara.
Biamono umurikito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara asengencho gutwariganiria onsi ayagendete gukorekana korwa ase ebiti au manchomo ligeriria orobotyo rwaye Wycliffe Tyson Manyara korwa ase kiunga chigosori no tugwika omweli wa mangana itamaya ekiunga chinsa ibere ngwakire biamono ya bene asengencho koyechora kuyigena nabo kuyirigereria Getembe TV genda gutwara uburigereri burubia gwikana ndetumerane achikoraga chinsa inye elionkoletera yande asenchira yoboikirano ekeroto bwateranire ne timu ngima erikwaneki kwa yanyorire asenchira yoboikirano na inche nako yaletera nigo nkuru kwa Ruth Kemonto.